Oh yeah, bring the money, make we share. Oh yeah, bring the money, make we share the money. The money. Oh yeah, bring the money, make we share. Make we share the money.
Calvin, what? Were you fool? Calvin, you were a fool! You are such a fool! Why did you have to do that? It was not part of the deal. The deal was to deliver the drugs and not to kill or steal from anybody. Mambo! Let me ask you something. Do you think that I, Calvin, would do this without gaining something? I need my own personal profit, and that is the money. It doesn't matter. Really? Yes. The more reason why you killed him. You killed him! That was not part of the plan! What am I supposed to do? You must stop this madness! Did I not warn you? The boss said no extra business. Do I look like I care? I do not care! I don't care! Really? Yes, I don't! The money is so important, don't you get it? Now let your conscience follow you! The money! Get the money!
Make we share the money. Oh yeah, bring the money. Oh. Make we share the money. The money. Oh.
Waka fast now. Come now.
Can't do waiting. No, can't do waiting. Next as I did back, I don't know what you resemble from back.
You don't like me.
Yeah?
You know my spec. You see how I like this now. They give me you with this thing for filling station. I go reject them.
Hey!
You okay?
I don't suffer.
I get choice for life when I come.
See person. See person who go wear this kind. Which work will go wear this kind thing enter? They go wear commerce. I don't they tell this agent. No, they pay me with people, with lazy people. No, they pay me with lazy people. You no go agree. See what thing you wear. Cloth where they go use so for one community. Only one of you. Una wear listen, they waka like this. Since as I day back, they disappointed. Stay clear from me. You no go here. Stay clear from me. You no go here.
You see that bad luck waiting for the house? That disappointment. I don't see her. 17, like this now, 17 demon on your side. But no, you don't go come close to me. But I see you after like this now, I know say you're hungry. My baby you're hungry. You know go chop her. You see, now for adults.
Hey!
You see this beauty. Oh, your boss said beauty lies in the eyes of the key holder. Yes.
Your own beauty lies in the eyes of mortuary attendants. Oh yes, because I've not even seen you. Ma for 80. You beauty. Beauty because they call you the name waste the name where they go give human being. They carry the name give trailer, give gongoro. You know, say if I call you beauty, people go they look around, they say, who is the beauty?
Me and my name beauty.
Ewo binti. Stop!
Thought you say day dark here that I naked before you.
What thing I go see? We everywhere lock. Madam, go because.
Don't worry.
Go because you carry the vessel cloth, they follow me for back.
Agent say the man where they go serve, say a very cute man. If I go there by the time I wink for the man. If I wink for the man, you see you go be my boy. But if the BBL, you know go chop her. Let me tell you. You know go chop her. Let me tell you.
Hey!
I mean, say my house cover all year. If I lose all year, if you see curves, if you see two-step, if you see him.
I don't see him.
Who hold something?
Machalin tire, I don't see where the thing.
But for you,
I don't see roundabout where he did.
You no go chop man.
Hey!
When the man go see me blink eyes for me, when he go wink for me, you see you.
Me where see you, me where see you never blink eye. Now person where suffer get
this
money.
thing they hungry you no go chop man.
Wait.
You no go chop am.
Hey! Elias, I don't suffer. Waiting they hungry me.
Yes.
Or chill up with alapu.
My BB are hungry.
My BBC, I beg carry the go. Jealousy. You.
See your life. 49 years man. Wife you no get. Girlfriend you no get. Spiritual wife and kitty you no still get. Nothing. No get a gift for you.
Hey! Igbo alala ni a wasted fatness.
Boy, did you see? I searched everywhere. Like, I searched literally everywhere. I hope you did same.
The same thing I did. I've searched all the corners. I didn't see anything.
You sure that this place, Danny's boy? Now you into the bag, Abi?
I know. Not this side, but...
So where the bag on day?
My brother, it was here.
Abi no be here?
It was here. But I'm wondering why the bag is not here.
Hey, you Mambo, you sure say Dave never do us for 19? He never come back, come carry that bag, Abi?
Wait. Do you know, I'm thinking the same thing. And no. If Dave come back for that bag, that means he have another plan day now. Another plan day now. You know if you do him now.
Blood go flow. I swear to God Almighty, bro, if Dave don't dupe us, if he play us 419, blood go flow. Make it no be say Dave don't dupe us. Because the way he threw that bag that time, his face, there was something fishy about him. Just
hold on. Are you trying to tell me that Dave threw that bag on purpose to come back later to pick it up? Let me tell you. If he ever do such a thing, if in trial, he's digging his grave. You
thank God
bother yourself.
Oh yeah, now.
You know who boss be now?
Because somebody like Dave, a bag of money, you just fling it.
We'll come up for you.
Abi?
People idea.
Yes, now. No be this. Number 16 is the home estate. Here.
Yeah, they knock now.
Okay, now we.
You who?
From the now we the agent send. Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
The agent sent you?
Yes.
Come in, please.
Please go.
Yeah.
Come in.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to our house, sir.
Your house, sir. Ogawe, I welcome to your house, sir. This
You
biscuit.
said the agency sent you.
Oh yes, he sent us. I'm a cleaner, and they are cook. These people here, they can cook.
I'm a cooker. I do cook all the burial rice for my village. I'm a cooker.
No one is a drummer. She can cook for Africa.
Confirm cooker. I sabi sweep. I sabi clean. I sabi the rice man once man don't they go down.
Wow.
As I be riser, like he raised me up. You know how they fly the mountains.
Comport yourself.
When you're done, I will show you to your rooms, okay?
It's okay, sir. They will just chill here. This place go well.
And he say the housing,
The air condition? Yeah.
the conditioner, very very
Cool.
One more thing. Both of you should respect privacy in this house.
He say we see in private.
no, that's not what I meant. What I meant is sometimes I'd like to be by myself. I don't want anybody to disturb me.
Like somebody where they live a quiet life.
Like maybe I feel just one day with you.
No. I just want to be alone sometimes.
Oh, is that what you mean?
Yes. And there are some places in this house, rooms, that are no-go areas.
Huh?
Yeah.
Room.
Keep it.
It's okay, sir. So long as you also respect our own private, your own private will be privatized as well.
I will respect your privacy.
Yeah, thank you.
Even if I don't respect my own private.
Also.
You get babe.
You mean, do I have a girlfriend?
Open that fast. Such with the shake hand. He's a great provider. Oh. He's a great provider. Oh. Jesus. Diamond. Ye? Diamond. Jesus. Hey. Jesus. Wait. Atoka. Hey. Bible says, he that findeth shall see. He that seeth shall find it.
That is true. This must be a government money. And I am not going to take part in this. It's better we return this back before we put ourselves in the problem that we cannot come out of it.
See this one. With all this your English, not a single money in your hand. Like this now, your full future, your full generation, if they sell them like this, you know what this bundle. You know it.
What are you trying to say?
What are you trying to say? Big man, they get bad.
No. What are you trying to say? That you want us to remain with money that we didn't work for?
We don't work for them. We work for them. When the bag now fly past my head, fly go ground, I don't work for them. Now destiny be that. This is a letter that you don't say, agent, they put me together. My good head now don't give you good luck. Left for you now, that your bad head. As head not there, so that's some money in your hand.
Hey, Beauty, please, I beg you in the name of God, with due respect, can we just take this back and return it from where we picked it from?
You don't which bag? What did you worry? You poverty not to stay in your life. Like this now, you be ambassador for poverty. They don't even sign you. They can never ever leave you. They will renew every year for you. You don't see your life. So this morning now we dey here now we say, God don't give me naturally. You see that my Igwe, I go slap him, I'll collect the post. They call me Igwe rest. Yes. Onowo rest very soon. I'll go fence my village. I will put erosion. Now that guy will break my heart that time. I will go in gate like this. I will fence him. He go dance house throughout. He no go dey come out. iPhone. I come buy iPhone. Ample. That ample sign. I go buy him. I come buy a head. Human head. I come fix am. Yes.
As you are buying all these things, remember to buy a casket. Because now dead you are promised.
Now you go die.
Now die you won't die. So
I dey promise you say inside this money your burial.
your type make God know they bless poor people. They go just sit down, they plan wetin they go do, how they go take suppress others if they make money, and that is the reason they will remain in a place without achieving anything.
You know, so you can never get money for life.
Let's go and return this money.
Return which money?
Let's go and return this.
This your baby way strong, so show say you can never make up for life. You see like this now, They don't already borrow your success since this one. They bury and join your placenta. You can never make it.
Me.
You are if they too give you D for this life to sign a toothpick.
Stop calling me. What is it? What is it? I don't have it. I already told you I lost it. What else do you want me to say? Huh?
Meaning what, Dave? Huh? To me, you look too calm for someone who has lost lots of money. We're talking about hundreds of millions. Diamonds, jewelries. Why are you so calm?
I have told you that I don't have the bag. We lost everything during the fight.
Oh, come on, Dave. Stop all this you're saying. It sounds so funny. You were in charge. Make I tell you something. Boss no go like hear excuse. Boss was not there. Our mission was to deliver the package, which we did. The bag was not part of the plan. This is just greed.
Greed. Did you just say greed? You know, say greed is a very terrible thing. And they kill very fast. Look, make I tell you something. Person will get innocent face today. That face will change overnight. You get?
Dave, for your information. Person where they cry, they see. A piece of advice. You should better find that bag before the boss will find you. Calvin, let's go.
Think it through.
Which bag? I don't know. Wait. What if now? Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't try am. Don't try am. That's the way man talk now, swallow am. Don't try am. Don't go there.
Good evening. The Lagos State Police Command has confirmed the killing of a suspected drug courier, Chief Jeff Edward. According to eyewitnesses, the culprits made away with a black duffel bag before security operatives could intervene. CCTV footage from the scene was damaged, leaving investigators with no clear identity of the attackers. Authorities believe the stolen consignment contains unverified high-value items linked to a notorious cartel still under investigation. Meanwhile, a ransom payment has been placed on whoever.
So it's already out there.
Elias! What is it? What is this for? Elias! Can you stop this and talk to me? Are you cold? Huh? Elias! What is it?
I am very sorry, sir. Very, very sorry. It's obvious that some part of me you don't know about. Oh yes, forget I am a cleaner in your house. I am also a spiritual person. God is using me mightily. Alam! Alam! Alam!
What is it? What is it?
As I was praying, I saw you in the realm of the spirit. You are kind of disturbed. You are in the middle of nowhere. So as if you are in the middle of a river trying to be drowned by the river. You are looking for something. Something. Something like a bag. I saw a bag with a zip. I saw a bag with a zip.
Elias. So you're saying that you saw all of this while praying right now?
Yes. Yes. Not only that. That bag is already causing a lot of problems in your kingdom. In fact, if care is not taken, heads will roll. Oh yes, that bag contains a lot of some valuable.
Yes. Elias, can you pray more so you can be able to allocate where the bag is? Okay. That
yes.
bag has a lot of valuables. It has diamonds.
Yes.
It has foreign currencies in
Foreign
there.
currencies.
Yes.
Diamond.
Yes.
Golds.
Yes.
A lot of things.
Yes.
That has to do with a lot of money.
Yes.
And you are not the only person looking for this bag.
Yes. Elias.
Speak to me. Speak to me. Speak to me. Yes, flog me. Flog me. Flog me.
Wait, there's somebody flogging you. Can you locate the bag?
Flog me. Opium now. I was asked to tell you.
Okay.
Do not be worried.
I shouldn't be worried?
Calm down.
Okay.
With me and you.
Yeah. Hey, wait, what?
You. Yes. With my spirit in your spirit. The bag must be found. That is summary.
Okay.
That is summary.
Okay.
They summarized it.
Okay.
They summarized it.
Okay.
They summarized it.
Okay.
He said, do not be worried. Join me.
Do not be worried.
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 Move it. Do not be worried.
Oh, I should. Okay.
Do not
be worried.
Move inside.
Do not be worried.
Move now.
Do not be worried.
Do not be worried.
Do not be worried. Do not be worried. Do not be worried.
Do not be worried.
Do not be worried.
I bring the money, make we share the money.
Mambo, this one that we're just seated here, just watching the empty space. Are we now watchmen? Huh?
Calvin, remember we are working under instruction. We are not just here on our own. Okay? And mind you, Dave is a smart man. So we need to watch him very well. Watch him closely.
My instincts don't lie. Something they tell me say, Dave, they try play us 419. There is something he's up to.
Exactly. He's hiding something. You know, that bag did not just disappear on its own. Somebody is keeping that bag. Trust me.
For me,
Yeah.
we have to just go into that house, check everywhere, and find the bag.
There's no need for that. Listen, we are working under instruction. We are following his orders. Okay? And I'm thinking he's trying to take things easy. I mean the boss. And moreover, police are everywhere. So we need to tread with caution.
Police?
Yeah.
I feel like they fear police.
I think we have to tread with caution.
Listen, Mambo, look. Tread with caution, boss's instruction and all that stuff. For me, let us just take the bull by the horn. Collect that money.
Will you stop? This was what you did that landed us to this problem. Your stubbornness. So let's wait
For how long? For how long, man? For how long?
Go ask the boss.
Oh yeah, bring the money. Make we share.
Stop.
Make we share the money.
Where you carry back the commode this night?
Which kind of question be that one now?
Ah. Which kind of question you want make I say? I say where you they come out they go this night? They say which kind of question be that
What's
one?
it concern you now? I won't go message now.
You what you consign me? Now all of us dey inside this house. You can't just wake up in the middle of the night. You carry back the commode and you expect me to keep quiet. Where are you going to?
Oga send me message, I won't go somewhere.
Oga send you message.
What's in your own now? Why you dey enter me? I go enter you.
If you enter me, I go come out inside of
I
you.
don't tell you, make you mind your business for this compound.
You too, you demand your own business.
Eh?
Somebody will be there every time your eye go the color like a greener pasture. You demand your own business.
See, I go do you something you no expect to.
Me too, I go do you something where you have already.
Respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
See, I go enter you. Don't try me.
Just try am. See say your eye go fear me. Na me they
do anyhow for
na
this
me they
compound.
rap something for. You rap something. You know what? I drink Holy Ghost. I drink Holy Ghost. You not ordinary eye here you drink. Your eye they do like this. Touch me.
You won't go to intimidate me about it. I go enter you. What did you do yourself? Respect yourself. Oh.
Wait. Oh. Are you sure it's not this bag Oga they look for?
Which bag you dey talk? No, guys tell me I go deliver the bag. What is up? What happen?
Oga give you this bag.
Yes, now.
May you go deliver to somebody. You are sure?
Because me bag, go deliver. Why they poke nose?
I know I go for close because there is fire on the mountain. Every day bag, but yet bag they come out, they enter, they come out, they enter. So which of the bag are they looking for? Maybe bag be this one.
I don't even get your time. You were just there. What no concern you? Chook mouth.
I got my eyes.
What I go do for this compound?
I got my eyes.
You don't mind your
you.
business. You know why your business? What I go do you?
Go, we go carry bag, go errand boy. They send you message, you carry bag, they come out like saying now you get out. Tomorrow now, I go find person waiting for a bag. Why una carry plenty bag every day? They find bag. Why bag they come out? They enter for this house. Lock that gate, oh. Tonight I take open and lock am. I know if you come there, come do boy for you. Lock that gate, oh. Every day una go to intimidate person. Una go get small portion for person house.
Oh yeah, bring the money. Make we share. Make we share the money. Oh yeah, bring the money. Oh. Make we share. Make we share the money.
Okay?
Sir, we notice say since you know they get yourself, say you know they okay. So anything when you be, we fit still help you. Relate with us.
My spirit they tell me say it's maybe because of that bag. Yes. And as it is now, we want to help you because we can't just be in the river and soap will enter your eyes. You can't have people like us and you suffer all these things alone.
Mm-hmm.
We are suggesting if you can send us out to go in search of it anywhere at all.
And what makes you think you can find that bag?
That's where you come in now, sir.
Don't look us
Just,
less.
yes.
We now pathfinder.
Yes.
We will
Anywhere
find
you-
something.
you point at. We go for Oshodu, Wabuladao, Guarempa, Sabongeri, anywhere, Omaka, for Nkwashi, anywhere you point.
Just
The
give
why?
us people ahead.
Yes.
Just
We'll
say
do
go.
it just for your sake because you can't carry this load alone. Hmm? You are always lost. You are always lost.
Okay. I give you the go ahead to find the bag.
It's well, sir. It's well. Let there be peace. We're doing this because of you.
Thank you.
Of God.
Thank you, sir.
You can
Let the
go.
will of God be done.
Amen.
Your will be done. Let thy will be done.
Thank you. And this is the way your destiny and power. Sir.
Why are they so concerned about this bag? Do they really want to help me?
Beauty. Beauty. Wake up.
No, I know the next see your face once I just wake up. You dey give my day bad day. After the way the face we hear, wetin happen?
I say, wake up. I can't sleep. How are you feeling so comfortable with the situation at hand? Did you see the way that man was looking at us?
Wetin wrong?
Did you see the way he had his eyes fixed on us? In fact, he's beginning to suspect us.
You get this and us, you sound spiked. You see like this, we go earlier, we go faster. Once he just agree to our own condition, he don't get choice now, he don't agree finish. Nothing go fit do us. We fit go dey live life well. Chop what you want to, eat as you like. Live that big man luxury life. Luxury or nothing. So like this, I already plan my future.
You see your life. You see your life, somebody that is in danger. Look at what you are thinking. Food. Food that kept you in this form. Food that lied you in state. And you are still talking about, if I were you, what I should be talking about now is how to go on a dry fasting so that we can come out of this mess that we are into.
Okay. You see like this, we don't hold Oga for Sukrutu. We don't hold Oga for Sukrutu. You don't get movement, no fear. You know if he pursue us, that we go the order am like that time because we get evidence. So, no fear.
They play with fire.
Now you go.
They play with fire while your cloth is soaked with fuel. They play with fire.
You see you dey play with fire. Oh, I don't forget say they say no sleep for the weekend. Open your eye down. They keep mosquito in my body.
If only I can get this back first. The boss will stop looking for it. I'll just have to give them a try.
What's going on? Why are you both dressed like this? What happened to your uniform?
Sir, we are following instruction. That is how the Spirit instructed us. Spirit asks us to dress this way.
Exactly. I need to obey the Spirit. From the spiritual realm. It's more dressed like this.
Yes.
Sir. Hi. Sir.
Yeah.
We will go to that place where you send us, but we need smoke candle.
I was about to do that.
Beautiful.
Chant Samantha, kill and cry.
Please, do not forget the description I gave you. It's very important.
No problem, sir. We there for you. It's in the Bible. The Bible says, as we there for you,
You go there for us.
It's in the Bible.
We hear more. What we are doing is spiritual thing. We don't just do. But be rest assured that everything will come out as planned.
Okay. That's
Let's go. That's money. Thin and dry.
Are you okay?
Kaba. Kesele popo. The spirit.
Amen. Amen.
That's a matter. Thin and dry.
Are you okay?
Spirit. Kaba. Kesele popo.
Your size. God bless you. I pray for my size.
Amen. Elias.
Sir.
Be careful.
It's okay. I am working with the Spirit. And whosoever the Spirit is leading does not make mistakes.
Okay.
One apple.
What are we killing? What is even drying up?
Manta. Thin and dry. Kaba. Danta. Elias. That motor, where would they go? That motor. Up. Where did they go? Open motor, make I enter now.
Which motor you want to enter?
Open front.
Come, open front. For as waiting. No, not be only front. Come make I open my neck and make you enter. Which one be open front? So once you down there and people go to say, I be your driver.
No wahala now. Open back seat, make I enter.
Abia, come on, will you stop that joke? You too like joke. So make you day back.
Yes, I want to enter.
Now you go enter boot.
As good what I be.
Before you load. You don't know. You don't know say una be load. As una dey here, so una be one person. I beg go and enter boot, John.
For your whole family, who get motor?
You una get waiting.
Apart from ambulance, which other car you never enter?
At least we get 4 leg.
You know the shame?
You
are Oga senior.
You shame.
You are Oga senior.
You are Oga senior.
You don't see Oga motor.
You are Oga who?
You know the shame.
You know the shame. You
common bodies you never get. No worry.
No, go enter my head.
What is going on here?
See, we don't want committee.
Why are you screaming? Do you want my neighbors to think I hired lunatics to work for me?
We dey commit the journey, sir.
Sorry. We are practicing how we are going to.
Please, just start going. Get out of here. Practicing what journey?
That's Samantha killer drawing about. Gagas. Open it.
Can you open the car for this lady to enter? Can you? I should open the gate for you. You're very stupid.
Sir, now your battle will they go back.
Come down and open that gate.
Now your fight too.
My fight is your fight.
No, where's the fuel?
Will you? Yeah. Come down, Elias.
Sir?
Come down from that car.
instincts are always right. I'm very sure these two knows about the bag. Pick up. Come on, pick up. Why are they taking so long and not taking my calls? Why did I even trust these two? This is getting out of hand. Let me try again.
Stand there.
What did I do?
I'm telling you, wait.
What did I do, sir? What did I do?
If you run,
What did I do?
if you run,
Sebi, your second, don't carry my sister. Wait, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Jesus. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
I catch you.
What is it? What is
I'm
it?
telling you.
What did I do?
I said, stop there. I'm not joking with you. Stop there.
Your second is holding my holding my co-worker.
I said, stop there.
I'm not stopping.
You will not stop.
I'm not stopping.
If I catch you.
I did not do anything to you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You stop it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
If I give you that slap now, nonsense, no. I told you not to stress me.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to you.
If you move. Hello. Yeah, have fun now. We are able to catch that big balloon. Better. And with the second idiot. No, don't worry, I'll take care of him. I will tell you that you are a big fool. If you back me, I'll kill. If you back me.
Finally, you're back. How did it go?
Sir, you get evil spirit will follow us.
What? Evil spirits?
Yes, sir. No be small matter. Okay, no be small matter. It can't be like say they send spy to spy on us. Everywhere police, Kotema, army, brigadier, fire brigade. Which first people will not come out today? Now so they full for road. POS people finish. All of them, police are ammunition. Now so bomb everywhere. I can't say it can't be just today when they send us spirit directors. Now today when I see when I go come out. And I try they pursue us with their run. You see these women, you see these women, she's supposed to increase her salary. What did these women do today? Me itself way small, I know if you do. Now so she they run. Then effect of 1 minute fly boat. Now so I say, so you can run like this. As we run. So we can't come out for somewhere. Now in the engine can knock. Yeah, going to. Now dear, our last week will come. Like I was every
Okay. Enough. Okay. I want both of you to go freshen up.
change your clothes because you definitely look like the spirit you saw.
No, sir, we don't the carriers go spam.
I
They
said
spam.
go and freshen up. I'll call my mechanic to go and check on the car and fix it.
Okay, sir.
But you have to tell me where did you stop? Where did you park the car?
Sir? Janta Mata, kill
Give me a landmark where you parked my car.
Gagas.
Sir, we know they say land.
I did not say you sell land. I said a landmark, like a place where my mechanic can use to locate my car.
Oh, she will explain better.
Sir,
Beauty.
I'm busy with the spirit now. Ask Elias.
Huh?
Huh?
No.
Elias. Elias, you are the one driving the car. Where is the car?
I'm also in the spirit.
Nalai, which I come? Let me first in the spirit, sir. Sir, the spirit say we carry go spam.
I don't want to enter my spirit, though. Don't make me enter my spirit. Where is my car?
Gagas.
Where's my car?
Hey, okay, your own spirit, they back like dog. Your spirit in Ketan of me.
Baby, calm down. Calm down.
I should calm down.
Yes,
Calm
sir.
down.
Oh, yeah, bring the money. Make we share. Make we share the money. Oh, yeah, bring the money. Oh,
Hey,
make we share. Make we
what the
share
hell?
the money.
What is the meaning of this? Beauty! Beauty!
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Sir.
What is the meaning of this? What did you just serve me? You served me to eat this?
Sir, now this. Only this 9 house. So manage all this.
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean this is the only thing in this house? Why didn't you tell me?
Sir, I don't want to give you updates here outside the all too. The streets now they very much electrical. They shock everybody. I don't want to give you updates. So just manage us, sir.
Beauty,
Sir.
how is that my business? Now you go upstairs to my room. Get some money and go to the market and restock this house.
Sir, face. If I go outside and I pity my size, I want to run. I want to guide these whole people they don't follow me. No easy now.
You have just 1 hour. 1 hour to go to the market and get back here.
So if I go out now, then my slippers will come back.
I don't care. I'm not going to repeat myself. Nonsense.
Have mercy on this size. No, doing this is not bad. Combo 100 now. They catch me outside now. I want you wrong. Sir!
Oga, come on.
Come
Come and see your dog.
Beauty! Beauty!
Rottweiler.
What is this? Huh? Are you still in this house? I thought I asked you to go to the market. Is that what I asked you to do?
You want to kill me?
Since morning when you send them go market, now here she did, they cry. They cry like a cook a dog. Wait.
Sir, you know the pity for me. You know pity this community where she down for here. You know pity this trailer. Make her come go outside. Make they come go waste me. What shall he profit you now to waste this fat one? Outside no good. I don't think go.
What is your use in this house?
Hey.
Why did I employ you? Huh? You work for me, yet I'm hungry in my own house.
Okay. No wahala. So I go, but make this manhood follow me.
Thunder fire you. No be only manhood. Now womanhood go follow you. No, let Ogologo to follow you. What kind of nonsense be that one? Oga, please, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going that her office. Everybody should face his or her office. In fact, last night I had a very terrible dream where my ancestors were warning me, do not go outside. Do not go outside. Do not go outside till further notice. Yeah. So I'm not going anywhere. She should carry her cross.
Sir. When we do this thing like this, all the junk swat they give it up. All those drinks and biscuits. Use them, they chop.
Shut up. Just shut that mouth of yours. Shut it up. Stop making. Can you stop making that sound? Are you a siren? Are you an ambulance? Ah, what kind of people is I employing in this house? That are always stressing my life.
I think you. Eh? Dustbin.
You're a fool.
And you fool who pass.
You're a fool. See what you did, they disgrace yourself. Me will go choose to clean. I know get sense. No be you rush say they cook katanga, they cook cha onions. I go turn onions to swallow. I go turn swallow to onions. You don't reach your turn, now give you now walk a cook. Where?
No worry. By the time Oga go marry me, my pants will be the washer.
Wait, Oga go marry you now. This Oga
get my body now.
Go get to eye for na body.
See, let me see. If you die, now beans I will take now beans I go share for your burial. Beans and Gary, you need a better person.
If you die, na mess you go come mess for your burial.
This one, oh, you see your burial. I can't puff, huh? I can't puff. Big one like this. You go see. No worries. I can't puff.
Yes? Hello? Patrick, how are you? What? What happened?
They found him this morning. He didn't make it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you.
Any problem?
I need space.
Sir?
I said I need space!
Oh, sorry, sir.
Jesus.
What is it? Talk now. Just a cry like engine when no. What is it? Talk. Waiting happen.
You don't know say there is fire on the mountain. You don't know.
How?
You don't know say like this now we never serious trouble. I go Oga. I go give her this whiskey. Now I give her. Oga call them for call they do here. Did I say yeah what? Only he can talk to himself like say evil spirit dey body. Yeah.
Our Oga. Na him be say madness turn dey start now because if person don't dey talk to himself, he's very close to commoting clothes and entering market. Unto to wazie come.
Okay, I forget say una this genotype for family na madness. Not only you dey normal, even as you dey mad, so not only you dey normal. So when you see symptoms, you dey know. You know say the call which Oga receive, if let's say Oga person die, person when dey close to Oga na die.
Person die kwa.
Here. Oga person na person na die.
Na him making the cry.
They talk to himself though.
Wait. Make you no go be waiting at the think. Are you sure it's not the spirit of the owner of that bag? They pursue him, they make him, torment him, they traumatize him.
Which bag? Which do you think? Which bag? See this one. Alive. Nobody. See, what make me they cry now? Because they say they say they feel use our head. No, your head don't give away. So they cry on your be laugh.
And they cry on your be fool.
Now you are the cry.
And they cry on your be fool.
Because
they want use your head to do giveaway. Say waiting happen.
No understand.
If there is anybody to be given away, owner. Oh yes, they should carry owner do giveaway.
Are you they go use?
Nah, common sense. See small pikin like me, we no know anything. I mean they go take easy. Ishim, adata pantemata. I be vulture. Go ask of me. I be vulture.
Say what happen.
See if you no carry that bag, go give Oga back. I personally will carry that bag. Go give him back.
See you see mortuary. You just carry yourself like this. You want me say mortuary. Just go give her. See obituary poster. Survived by nobody. No spiritual wife. No children. Nothing. 49 years.
Okay.
What kind of problem person go put himself into? Huh? This agent, go better for you. Go ever better for you. Go ever better for you for pairing me with these people where they here. Pairing me with your Tutu Igwe madam in one. Go ever better for you. You see other houses that is full of milk and honey. Carry us go there. Yeah, we inside lions there. Now you carry me, go put me small picking like me, we don't know anything. We no sabi talk. Waiting I know. When did I write for yet? That I will come and endanger my life in somebody's house. Oh man.
You see her. Oh, you die. Locator. Oh, you die. They say a man died, a man died well. Die as we come. No miss road. Come straight here. Later liars.
You both have the guts to show your face here? Huh?
Dave, we are not here to fight.
Oh.
Okay? It was all a mistake and we never meant to.
To kill Julius? To kill my boy? To lose millions? To ruin me?
Look, Dave, it was not intentional. We never intended to. So I advise you just take a step and calm yourself down. Mambo and I, we never knew the guy in question was your dispatch delivery guy. We did not know. You see? So what happened. And take a look at Mambo, man. Look at him. He got messed up by the boss because he delivered the wrong bag.
Does it look like I care? Huh? Does it freaking look like I care? You killed my boy for something that was not part of the deal. You have set the stage. Everybody go collect. Henceforth, we are no longer partners, but enemies.
Oh, keep quiet. Enough! Keep your mouth shut. Dave, take a look at me. Look at me very well. The pain I'm going through today is because of your selfishness and greediness. If you have done the needful by giving the bag to the boss, all this nonsense will not happen. You brought all this bullshit to us, and you are here claiming scent.
Did you just call me greedy?
You are greedy.
Did you just call me?
No.
Did you just call me greedy?
No.
Did you just call me greedy?
It's okay. Come on, man.
Are you crazy? Leave me!
I want a very honest answer. Are you both tired of working here? Is that why you want to leave?
No. Tired, okay? Are we tired?
We more tired.
We can't tire. I will jack off.
Me personally, I'm more tired. Just that say Elias. Anytime he say make I escort and go see Papa, we don't they almost die. Say, Abi?
No be say you don't they almost die. You don't die already.
Okay.
As I they talk to you now in funeral, they don't fix them. Okay. I want go because in my family that man na my papa younger brother. He no born man, and I'm the only surviving son for that family. So if I no come read his funeral oration, nobody go feed them. So I want go read them so that he go rest in peace. Yeah, what would no be say we don't die.
Elias.
Sir.
Beauty.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys afraid? Because I know both of you don't feel safe here anymore.
No.
We're safe.
We safe. In fact, we are even like savings accounts. We are safe. What different name? Nothing mega.
We're safe.
That reminds me, what happened to your stomach?
It's a pity.
My stomach. Oh yes, is a family battle that I am battling with. Yes, it's a family cause.
In fact, in our family, this is a sickness that always come to us. In our Igbo language, they call them ogorobia. That means if you dey small, you go come. If you go, you go come. You go come. It is frequent. In fact, coming and going sickness. Our family now waiting they take nurse. My elder brother, if you see him own, na so it plenty. If you see Adan name, my sister where they marry for Amiibo. If my sister come out here, she don't old, but whoever for Droya the cadron.
Now fibrodia.
Everything for our family. Now so God give us. I gave no why. So I in fact na tumor of the womb. Tumor. I come from there. It come from to fibroid. So na family. Yes.
I thought it was only women that usually get fibroid.
No, men. No.
Our own is different. Our case is different. God made it from beginning.
Yes.
Now come from our forefathers. Family, our lineage. Our lineage is known for fibroid. So we don't come. We say don't come. Why are you going to give it to? So,
okay, fibroid.
You don't go say we take our family problem. They wear you forward.
Yes.
If you look me in my life, I live. Who get this case? You don't see them before.
Wonder.
Such person plenty. You know, see, say like this now.
It's a shame they catch me to see.
Look at the Greek carry me again, sir. You like this, now get internal sickness.
Yes.
Then they call them libidiasis.
What?
Libidiasis.
Yes.
Okay.
Now when she dey sleep, you go know.
That's enough.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever sickness that is in your family, I'm so sorry about.
Yes.
Just stay here. Huh? Do not
My network for vanishing is gone. What are we going to do now?
It's your fibroid now. This size now, I want to vanish with this size now.
Have you vanished? You're sick. You go die for me.
You go die.
Let's drink. You know, we have been through hell with the things that have been happening to us. My brother, I can imagine what is going through your mind. Dave, you know we are brothers. I mean, this is not the time to think, but to think, to strategize and act fast before the boss does. Let's just go downstairs and have a drink. Maybe to ease off some stress and all that.
Maybe later. I'm still not in the right frame of mind.
Oh, come on, brother. Stop this. You don't need all this and cheer up. It's just a drink.
You think I was more concerned about the boss? Oh no, not at all. I was more concerned about the devil within, which is you. So I stood up knowing exactly what's coming.
Dave?
Yeah, let's have a drink.
Let's have a drink, guy. That's my man. Drink. All right. To peace and loyalty. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. Dave, are you okay? Are you okay?
this way. Correct. It is time. Hey.
Jesus! Oh my Jesus! Oh my Jesus! God! I don't know. Disappear before I blow up. Hey, come on! I will.
If you see my baby, you go sure up, Harabanko. Oh, beauty too fine, no be makeup. Oh, come on, lie down, no. Finish work for me, oh. Oh, tomato. What's happened? What's happened?
Beauty, Beauty, there is fire on the mountain.
Who put that?
There is fire on the mountain.
Who light that?
We don't use our hand. Put ourselves into lion's den. Hey. If you see what in my eyes see now, my mouth no fit talk am. I enter the Oga room now. I want to go clean the Oga room. As I enter there, I saw Mambo. I saw that guy Mambo with gun. Real life gun. And he carry gun point for my head. He asked me where is the bag. I said I don't know. He pointed the bag on my head. He said he wants to shoot me. I come to the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. I said, Oga, if you shoot me, what do you get? He said, oh, I'm going to shoot you. I said, oh, you can't shoot me. That's so we come the battle. He make a pronounce. He goes, leave, come. He zoom off.
So, unknown number, David says.
Unknown people. Unknown people. This one, we know them. Unknown people, they did this us.
Who is that?
Jesus.
You see the bag?
Jesus.
Let me hear this, man. You piece of body. Why you go peace now? Your fellow man point to God. The next thing, just peace.
Do you know you are very, very stupid? You are very, very stupid, heartless, and ungrateful.
Me?
Look at somebody I just explained that I escaped death. The only thing you could ask me if I peace for body. As what now? As somebody where you think be borehole. I be again your young pisari. I resemble your person where you urinary track don't boss. I'm ashamed of you.
Wait, they smell peace now. This is where you enter here now. Yeah, they smell where you don't enter here now. No odd man peace.
Look at these people. Look at this Igbo mad.
Do you know how many times I don't help you? Flush the intestine where they go there, you go stand there, peace, you know, go flush them. Why they help you flush? Maybe you don't go drop there, you know, flush them. You perceive your order staying at me.
It's my boy now. That's why. Now privilege you. Say like this. You dey see my piece, you dey see my shit. Now privilege to you. Very good grace. Let's follow you. Have you don't know?
Say they see drip of sand where you they drop.
You know my boy.
Why they pour water, 10 buckets, no, they come out one.
Before, you don't see my size. See, we can tell you. Anything that we do, don't know say yeah you now. Now door of life imprisonment, that will just open so. But and you, I don't worry. Can't go say na you. Me, I don't know you. We don't meet before. Mostly you.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Because I'm scared.
Use English. But I'm going to try to get the two. Now, interview you come.
Hey.
Elias! Elias! Beauty. What is going on here? Huh?
Sir?
What is going on here?
What is going on? Nothing is going on here. Nobody's going on here. The dog was barking, so I decided to come and lock the gate. So
Are those the keys?
Are those the keys, sir?
Let me have them. What are these for?
Who bring this bag outside? Beauty! So you carry this bag come outside here?
Who can I come outside?
Dave, for the last time, where is the bag?
You know, you must be the dumbest person I've ever come across.
My hair?
You think you can drug me? Mambo, I don't trust myself. What makes you think I would trust you?
Smart one. Smart. So, you played me for a fool?
No. You did that to yourself. You think you're smart. But let me tell you, greed and desperation has ruined mankind.
Dave, I am losing it. I am losing my patience on you. Where is the bag?
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get inside! Who's there? Who is there?
Brother, please open the...
Mambo.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? I thought I warned you not to step foot here again.
That's someone. Guy, everywhere don't boss. There's fire on the mountain. Things don't scatter. I tell you.
What are you talking about?
See, you know that Calvin betrayed us. Kelvin fuck us up. Did you know that Kelvin went and told the boss that that bag is with you? And that we have been working hand in hand to share that diamonds. See, he is coming for your head soon. But before then, let's act. And act fast. Well, go tell your boss I am waiting for him. Mission accomplished. The right time to act. Let's drink. You know, we have been through hell with the things that have been happening to us. My brother, I can imagine what is going through your mind. Dave, you know we are brothers. I mean, this is not the time to think, but to think, to strategize and act fast before the boss does. Let's just go downstairs and have a drink. Maybe to ease off some stress and all that. Maybe later, I'm still not in the right frame of mind. Oh, come on, brother. Stop this. You don't need all this in. Cheer up. It's just a drink.
You think I was more concerned about the boss? Oh no, not at all. I was more concerned about the devil within, which is you. So I stood up knowing exactly what's coming.
Dave?
Yeah,
Let's have a drink. Let's have a drink, guy. That's my man. Drink. So this was your plan? Come here with your lies just for a bag?
you know how we roll. You know how all this work. Well, let me tell you something. But if you ever think that you will cheat me in this business, I will kill you.
Kill myself! Pull the trigger, Dave. Don't try and pull the trigger! Don't push me, Dave! Maybe your bullet will bring it back. What are you waiting for? Shoot! I will kill you! No shoot! Keep quiet! Shut up! Shut up and move! Come here! Move! Move on! Move here! He said move you. Move you. I said you should move. Move. Shh. I don't want to hear your noise. Keep quiet! Now tell me. Listen! Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Where did he hide the bag?
Which bag, Oga? Una dey confuse us with this bag. There's no bag in this house. The only bag wey dey here, na the Ghana must go where we carry come. And the mom draw here. There's no other bag.
I will kill somebody right now! Where is the bag? You think I'm here for the joke? Where is the bag? Isam. Who is Isam? Isam. Who is Isam among you? Isam that carry the bags.
No be only Isam.
Isam.
Waye. Who carry wetin?
Kaja. Nah. Oh, hold on. Hey. You?
Sir?
Freeze! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Do not do anything stupid because my men are everywhere.
Yes.
Drop the gun.
I'm very peaceful. Come here.
Officer, search them thoroughly.
Yes.
Search them!
My God, ebe akpa amụ ya nọ biko. Put hand for the blockers. Egbe karịrị akarị.
Shut up!
Shut up.
Search them!
You see that carry the bag, I'm gonna root you. I'm gonna root you with the bag.
Take the phone. Search this man. Search them.
Oh God, there's no point.
Oh, you must have that everywhere.
My friend, this way. This way. This way. What is that? What is that?
It's morning.
Let me see. What?
Chineke me.
What is that?
Money. My fibroid has turned to bag.
What?
Chineke na me.
Hey.
Miracle not the tire Jesus.
You are all under arrest. Remain silent. Whatever you say here or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Amen.
Now, get up! Move it! Get up and move there! Move!
Liars.
Go move this! Madman!
Liars.
Move there! Move!
Yes.
Come on! Move! Did you know any man by name Mr. Julius?
I've not heard of that name before. I never heard that before, sir.
You used to sell drugs for your boss. He's dead now.
Jesus! Dead? How? Wait a minute. Now my boss killed him.
Are you trying to tell me that the bag that was found in your possession belonged to a dead cartel drug dealer?
I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Enough of this, your stupidity! Tell me this truth and don't stress me.
I'm telling you everything I know. Everything I'm saying is the truth. I don't know about it. I don't know.
How did you find the bag?
The matter long ago. The story long.
How did you find the bag?
That's what I want to start explaining, sir. I'm a cleaner. And my second is a cook. That fateful day that we...
Calvin, what? Were you fool? Calvin, were you fool? You are such a fool. Why did you have to do that? It was not part of the deal. The deal was to deliver the drugs and not to kill or steal from anybody. Mambo. Let me ask you something. Do you think that I, Calvin, would do this without gaining something? I need my own personal profit, and that is the money. It doesn't matter. Really? Yes. The more reason why you killed him. You killed him! That was not part of the plan! What am I supposed to do? Stop this madness! Did I not warn you? The boss said no extra business. Do I look like I care? I do not care! I don't care! Really? Yes, I don't! The money is so important, don't forget it! Now let your conscience follow you! The money! Get the money!
They don't go now. It's I should open it. No. Go open and what change your thoughts. Wait first. Wait. Am I tempted to say better to get this bag? No. First. They will leave here first.
I do fear.
What if
Back window be on? What if we open this thing now? Another problem go come. Let's know what is inside.
No.
What if we come on and police catch us and another problem go? How we go to explain this thing now?
You don't get mind. Put this thing inside your bag, make they go.
My bag?
You dey fear like
woman.
woman.
What if I put your own bag?
Why you dey fear like woman?
Who they fear like woman? You dey fear like woman.
Put that for my own. If na me now you go dey get power. It reach time for you to be sharp now. Make your eye open.
And as I dey put am for your bag, you know when you go check give but anything will come out. Carry am.
They go. No time. They go follow this way.
If we no go that side, we go.
See person. Look at the come say man. No be small thing. I don't dial 111 222 499. Even 666.
Keep on trying. Even if na police or army, navy, anyone, just keep trying. We must get. Keep on trying again. See again.
This one I do. You did. You did. Okay. Hello? Yes, sir. Abeg. Now police have been this road safety I call. Oh, what that?
We think we dey go place and go find water for now.
Oh, okay. Wait first. Wait, I dey come.
Where you go? Call any number. Dial 444 555.
Yes. 6,000. 6,000 army.
Let them come. Even if not 24,000 army or 100, let them come and rescue us. We're in danger.
But 4,000 dey.
Even 4,000 is still okay. Let them come. Wait a minute. Hello? Hello?
4,000.
Yes? Ofako. Hello? Banga soup. Hold up. Who joined me and you? No, they asked you who used you to punish me.
What be that?
No, who used you to punish me? You're a punishment to my life.
What did I do?
Somebody where there is head problem. We are in the middle of a river and we are about to drown. All you could do is to call kitchen for Ofako.
You know chop first. Before now you drown finally. You never chop.
Hey.
What you chop? You the guy. I beg you, ask them for this extra plate.
Hey!
Ask her for her soup for me.
No be only Oha. I go buy a bowl of soup for you. I go buy your cash and give you.
Chop first. You go too bad say you no chop and you can't still go die. You will go fire. Chop before you reach there. 4-5.
Hello?
Go to meet.
Hello, police.
Why didn't you report to the nearest police station when you found the bag?
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. Sir. Sorry, sir. We get the plan. But we say we will just safe keep the bag. Say I will safe keep her. And for our own time, we will come station, come give her the bag. Na so we put plan now.
So you both wanted to acquire the items inside the bag, right?
No. Yes. No. Small. Carry that. Your eyes. For fit talk well, sir. We no want that. I tell you now, say the plan we will be get. You say we go give her for station before that brother gone. Will come. they come, when say, put the trigger. Before the trigger come, now na come bring una own go because we belong to the actually, plan has.
So you both never deemed it fit to call the emergency line until your life were in danger.
No, give me fees. Like, you know.
Anyway, get a lawyer.
Huh?
We'll see in court.
Huh?
Or you both rot in jail.
Huh? What are they cook for inside jail? Hey, Daddy.
When you bring the money, make we share. Make we share the money. Oh, you bring the money, oh. Make we share. Make we share the money. The money, oh. Money matter. No, darling. This one, no money matter. No sleep. For money matter. No Jonesy. This one, no money matter. No, bring the money, make we share the money. Oh yeah, bring the money, oh, make we share the money. The money, oh, money matter. No darling, this one na money matter. No sleep. For money matter, no Jonesy. This one na money matter.